Hello everyone, I'm your host Jason again, and today I would like to let you know more about the planetary cutting machine. And this is the planetary cutting machine, what it looks like. And this is the motor. This motor is controlling here, controlling this pump. This spinning is controlling this to spin, because it's just like the planetary. And then this is the cutter. The cutter will spin them to cut the pipe. And this is the pump, and this pump is using for control there the oil pump to move this blade go inner to cut it, yes, because here is the motor to spin all the black ring to spin all the black ring. This is the whole part to make it spin. And then at that time we need this cutter to get inner. And we want the big pipe, the diameter big pipe can connect easier. We need the chamfer of the pipe, or we call it the terminal, one side of the terminal of the pipe. And this is the second blade to cut the chamfer of the pipe. And we have this one. This is small button to make it bigger or smaller. Yes, this is the same circle, but it has the different diameters about the second blade to make the chamber. And definitely the pipe. And here is the definitely there's the motor. The motor control this blade to spin, which means the black ring spin, and then this cutter spin also, and also this second blade. And we adjust this kit to make the chamfer a bigger or smaller. And by the way, we also will have this is the room to correct the dust, because we cut it and then we make a lot of dust. And here is the briefly introduction about the cutter machine, the planetary cutter machine. If you have any question about the plastic extrusion, feel free to let me know.